The worst feeling for a man is when he tries to have a conversation with a woman about what's hurting him, but instead of listening, she gets defensive and flips it on him, making him feel like he's the problem. He just wanted to be heard. He just wanted to feel understood. But instead, he questions if opening up was a mistake. He goes silent, not because he's fine, but because he's tired of feeling unheard. It's not weakness. It's not complaining. It's his heart asking for peace, for respect, for effort. A man will stop talking when he feels it doesn't matter. And once he shuts down, it's hard to get him back. Because silence for him is protection. He needs patience, not pressure. Support, not judgment. Listen before he stops trusting. Understand before he lets go. Because when he's done for good.
Ya get it? Yeah, I think you need to